Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today is a Woowon dissolver. This is a 7.5 horsepower unit operating on 480 volt. We're going to show you that it has the ability to swing in and out about 30 degrees and swing up. You can hit it and it'll go until it reaches its maximum. Now it'll also run in this position. It has a variable speed control you see right here. And come over here, Jim. You'll see we also have RPM meter and amp meter. And if you just keep on the amp, I'm just going to put a little pressure on this shaft. You'll see the amp meter go up. You see it?
Yes.
So,
yeah, 5.
So that's operating well. And also at the same time, we're going to just, if you step back a little bit, Jim, we're going to show you it will actually go up in a running position. We're not going to do that. We're going to turn that down. So once I've hit the up button, it'll drop to a maximum of 54 inches daylight underneath the blade. If you step back, Jim, I'll show you in here. So here's some of the controls on this side. It's your hydraulic unit, of course, and of course your main piston right there. And then in some of the pictures, we'll have some detailed shots of the controls. And it will actually run in this position. Like I said, it's a variable speed. But that's not really as safe as we'd like to, so we're going to bring it back down. And you can see it actually will swing down at the same time it's operating. And in a vertical position, we're going to bring it up to its full speed, which according to our tachometer here is about 1750 RPM. It's actually showing 1799 on the RPM meter. Does have an E-stop, of course, which stops everything right there. We have lots, we have 2 of these in stock, as a matter of fact, right now. They are, as you see, all stainless on wheels, portable. Like I said, they have that 54-inch lift height, and you can see them on our website. So please visit us at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.